Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Ponam and my MS number is 6008, and for today my topic is IoT theoretical framework and conceptual model. So this is the block diagram or framework. So it consists of four blocks: states, events, constructs and associations. So we will discuss this particular block. So this is the description about the framework, and it is a type 4 kind of theory which is based on theories of for explanation and prediction, and totally there are 5 kinds of theories discussed in that paper. So for each of these states and all for each of these four blocks there are two particular boundaries exist for each of these. One is the outer boundary and the another one is the inner boundary. So in this particular diagram, the outer for every block, the outer boundary is the rectangular thing and the inner boundary is the curvature or the circle that we are going to see. So yes, so the first particular block that we are going to see is the states, and the state space that falls with a theory boundary. So these are all particular states according to the theory that the system may undergo, and anything out of this theory out of these states, system will not go, the system is not going to go for that states. So the inside boundary states is usage when considering IoT priority areas versus challenges. So the IoT priority areas and the challenges that we have discussed in the previous section, and for some particular users, if the benefits are great enough, they may undergo certain risk and they may overcome the privacy and the security. And the outside boundary state is IoT usage change as people may gain trust in IoT. This is there in any particular technology. If the people are going to have their trust, the IoT usage may change. And the next thing is the events. The event space that falls within the boundary theory boundary must also be articulated. So the event space is what are all the events that the theory may have, that the system may undergo. So the inside boundary event is adoption of IoT, and the outside boundary event is network of devices and applications. So constructs is another particular thing, and the constructs in theory represents an attribute in general of some class of things in its domain. So the other further estimates that each of this class one should have clear idea of about these classes, and the inside boundary construct is IoT stakeholders such as humans impacted by or having an interest in the Internet of Things. So and the outside boundary construct is IoT high priority areas. And in this particular context of the paper, where they have investigated 500 executives from the company, and they found out that there are customer experience, finance and asset management. And the next thing is next block is associations. So usually a theory doesn't cover all possible associations among its constructs. Instead, the researchers have a freedom to take only some particular associations, and the other may be removed. And the inside boundary associations are IoT challenges such as privacy, security and trust. And the outside boundary associations are increased level of IoT security. And these are some of the key points from this theory framework. This framework is the first one which integrates the components of stakeholders, challenges and priority errors. Even though the IoT involves machines communicating with another machines, stakeholders play an important role in considerations such as priority areas and challenges. Suppose in this particular paper, the priority areas and the priority areas are different. They have taken it from the business point of view, and if suppose the study is in a different area, so they have to change their priority areas. And the challenges like privacy and security must be addressed to gain user trust and successful usage of IoT. And if the user have higher trust, the IoT market will grow up rapidly. And thank you.